Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how do I fix my furnace. It's a gas furnace, and the problem is it's not kicking on. It tried to, but it won't kick on. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna check the. I'm gonna wait and see. I try just a couple times during 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you that right now. It just try, but it won't kick on or turn on at all. Just the igniter, it turns on. That means the igniter is good, because you can see it's getting very hot, red color. So that means it's working. So it just turning it on for gas coming out, but after a few seconds it will turn off by itself because something is wrong with the unit. First of all, that I check before call the technician. Remember, I'm not a technician, nothing. This is just my house. This is my own stuff, so I'm not responsible if you get hurt, or I'm not responsible if you get hurt like by any accidents that could happen. This, okay. So see, it just turning off by itself.
Okay, no, hello.
And then in a few minutes you're gonna try it again. First of all, we're gonna unplug it from the electrical power. Then we're gonna check the filter first, and we're gonna check it out and see if it has a dirty filter. This is not actually my house, it's my brother-in-law house. Okay. First of all, don't buy this kind of air filter with the black on top, with the black material on top, because look at that all can come out. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. See, come on people, don't let your air filter get dirty like this one. You have to change the air filter at least once a month, no matter what. I'm taking pictures so I can send it to my brother-in-law and tell him what happened here, bro. Look at all this. Especially if you have pets in the house, you better clean it at least twice a month, I will say. But look at that. That looks like I haven't changed it in probably a couple 2-3 months at least. Look, man, that's disgusting. Okay, that's the first thing you had to do. If you have a dirty air filter, just replace it. Okay. Before we continue diagnosing the rest of the stuff. Okay. Remember, we're not technicians. You're not a technician, so all you gotta do, I'm showing you just all the basics you can do before, or if you wanna save some money to save money, from calling the technician. Don't buy these air filters, because with the black stuff on top, that can come out and go around all the way the unit through your vents. So don't do that, okay? Then I'm gonna show you which one is the better one. This is a Honeywell. I bought it at Home Depot. I packaged up to for $20, something like that, or $70, something like that. But look, this is supposed to be go like this. Okay, this is the top, and I don't know why it has that black thing on the old one, but my brother-in-law says it's supposed to be more efficient, blah blah blah. Well, I don't think so, bro. If you have stuff that can come out and go through your vents, that's not good. Okay, this is the airflow. The airflow gotta go through the unit. That means where your vents is gonna go. So it's going up in this case. Sometimes you got the unit different sizes, and this is the back on the bottom. So all this metal thing on top, that's to prevent all the bottom part come loose and running all your vents. Okay, this is back to back, bottom to bottom. Look at that. So nope, stop right there. Okay, don't be like these guys. Come on, it will take you just few seconds to replace the air filter once a month. Okay, just do it. Okay, so now since we got the air filter, the new one, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Let me show you if you can see really well. It just go like this, easy peasy. Remember, with the arrow up, because in this house the vents are up, all the way up. Okay, now we're gonna try and turn it on back on again, and we'll see what's next. Okay, well, that's the first step we did. Okay, check the air filter. In this case, it was very dirty. Now we're gonna wait until it kicks on and see what happened next. Okay, let's see. All right, it's gonna start over again. We're gonna wait a few seconds. Should be kick on around the 20-30 seconds. Okay, if not, we go ahead and do the rest. I mean the next step. Okay, all right, it's been a few seconds already, nothing happens. That means we're still in the same mode, the same problem. Okay, but now since we already replace the air filter, now we're gonna check the thermostat batteries and see if they're good. Okay, all right. See, no, it didn't work, but gladly we replaced the air filter as well. Okay, so now we're gonna replace the thermostat batteries. They're gonna be next. We need to unplug the electrical again. All right. And you should have some batteries back here. It does the pack. Make sure if they're not on, we're gonna go ahead and replace them. Okay. Sometime it could be it happens. You never know. This is all the basic steps that you can do yourself. Okay. Other than that, you won't be able to do nothing else more. So I got the new batteries on. All right, and we're ready to install them back in. All right, in this case, this thermostat is Honeywell. It just go like that, and there you go. It should be show up by itself when it says done. Let's go and do the connect the electrical again and see what happens. Okay. Oh well, come on, let's go. And we're gonna try it again. All right, kicks on very quick, but unfortunately it still do the same thing. It won't turn on at all. Only the igniter and the inducer, that's the only two that turns on. Okay, nothing else that turns on. So the last step you can do easy, without any tools at all. It's just basic steps. You're gonna get take this little hose from here. This is a little hose from the inducer through the vacuum switch. Okay, I think is what it is. I'm not sure, but the inducer on the right is a little fan. That's the inducer, the motor inducer motor. So what you wanna do? Unplug it. Okay. Suction take the tube, the little hose tube from the motor inducer. Suction it a few times. I did it like 15 times, like that, because the vacuum motor, vacuum unit right here, it gets stuck sometimes. If that's the case, you can always just replace this part, okay? But look, I'm suction it a few times. All right, yeah, don't think bad. All right, I'm just saying right here, make sure the electrical connections are good, not loose, and as you can see, make sure the hose, the tube is all the way in, okay? And then I'm gonna try just a couple more times like that, suction it in and out. Okay, we put it back on, and we're gonna try it again. Last time, that's the last thing you can do on the air condition furnace to turn it on and check the basic steps. Okay, we're gonna wait 30 seconds, and it should be kick on at 30 seconds. All right. If not, then call the technician, guys. Okay. But this is the most basic steps that you can try before call the technician to make your gas furnace working again. Okay, it's almost 30 seconds. All right. Ooh, puchala. It works best of the best, guys. Best of the best. Look at that. Nice and tight. That's all you can do, guys. See, we fixed it. So the last thing we did it was that vacuum pump right there on top corner left. It was stuck, so we had to suction it a few times to make sure it unplug it or unstuck it, whatever you wanna call it. Sorry for my accent. I try to do my best. You know, some words come out very good. Some words come out okay, but you know, the point is just try this, save some money. All right, guys, that's all we can do. See you, hasta la vista. See you next time. Have a good day. La 68 ahorita. Vamos a ver si está calentando un ratito más. Okay, gas furnace is working properly, and it's been a few days since we fixed this problem, and it's still working right now. That happens every once a year. Okay.